Okay, I can't believe we're here, Mom. I know. So we're gonna get a new house. Okay, Mom. Whew. Hello. What would you like today? We would like a new house, please. Okay. So, before you do it, we need your names. My name is Kate. Okay, good. And my name is Mia. Okay, that's great. And so, let's check to see if there's any houses available. He's taking forever. Hey, I heard that. Anyway, so there is houses available. You'll see on my tablet. So you just have to wait there in the waiting room, and then when I call you, you will have to go in my account, go in my space, and then look at the houses there. Okay. Anyway, bye. I will call you when I need y'all. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's put the bags down, y'all. We're already doing that. I'm quite tired, Mom. But I know we took a plane all the way here to Boca to start a new life. Mom, whatever. Kate, please come up. Please. Kate, is there a Kate? Please come up. Please come up. Oh, he must be calling my name. He said my name multiple times, but I should be going. Hug. This could take forever. I'm coming. Just wait up. Okay. Miss Kate or whatever. Please don't be rude to me. Anyway. We have the houses. You could check on my computer if you would like. I would love to. So, look. You will be looking at the houses. Oh, the house looks nice, but not my style. Oh, I like this one. Okay, ma'am. So just wait in the living room, in the waiting room, and then we'll be there. Okay. It's taking forever. They're already asleep? I didn't even notice that. I'm tired. I'm gonna just take a little quick rest. Oh. Hello. Hi. Hello. I'd be looking for a new house. Okay. Just sit down and we'll call you when we need you. Okay. I'll be going. Okay, bye. Oh, you can just go, please. Ma'am, why are you staring at me? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go. There's no room for me. Why is there no room for me? I don't want to be rude. Hello, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am! Um, oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You just scared me. How did I scare you? But anyway, can you please make room? Oh, sure. Okay. Let's see. Oh, Miss Kate again! Miss Kate! He's calling you. Wait, ma'am? Sorry. Huh? Sorry, I was daydreaming. Okay, coming. I can't wait to get the new houses. Hello. Hi. sign the contract, and then you will be going to your new home. Okay. Do you have a pen? Well, no. Let's sign it with the dog bone. Guys, just pretend we signed it with the dog bone. Oh my gosh. I'm struggling. I'm struggling. Okay. I'm just signing it. Okay, I'm done signing it. Good. Let me just put the dog bone down. My glasses on. Okay, so you can go now. The house is on the right. It will be next to this park, and then you'll see it. It's a small, beautiful home. You will like. Okay. Anyway, bye. Bye. Oh wait, and is the house for free? Of course, but you have to pay a lot of money for rent. Okay. Sweetie, come on, guys, let's go. Mom, when's the house gonna come? It's coming right now. Oh, really? Yeah. Yay! Okay, let's get the bags. Grab it. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yay! We're here. Mom, why is it empty? Mom, why is it empty? Let me find it. Okay. Okay. Why is it? Well, we're gonna be sleeping in the car. What? I know. But tomorrow it will get finished. And we're gonna decorate tomorrow while we're sleeping in the car. It might make a lot of noise, but yeah. Okay, is that okay? Well, okay, I guess. Okay. But I'm so happy. I'm gonna be so happy when the house comes. Yeah, me too, Mom. I know. Anyway, we're gonna go outside to the car. Oh, okay. Okay, sweetie. But look around. Let me look around first, please. Wow, it looks very good. I know. That's why I picked it. I wanted to see the houses. Too bad you didn't actually were asleep. Anyway, I'll go out. Wait for your sister. Anyway, bye guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna do episode 2 where we decorate the house and build it. It's gonna be built. And yeah, I hope y'all like this video. And if there's any background noises, I'm sorry. I was just walking around my room. Yeah. Bye.